Hello, we're in exercise 7.5 in chapter 7, sentence 1. John lost touch with the friends of his roommate. So what do we have to look for here? Well, it looks as if we have a sentence with the predicate phrase and then the prepositional phrase. Actually, two prepositional phrases, with his roommate. And I guess the thing to notice is that of his roommate is embedded within the first prepositional phrase because it modifies friends. So let's see if we can get this right. We're going to start by selecting all the words, as we always do. Okay, we're going to call this a declaration. This is a declarative sentence. We're going to get the NP here and then say John is a noun. Lost touch with, okay, and then we're going to have everything else. Oops. Everything else here is going to be a predicate phrase. Predicate phrase. Okay, and then we're going to have lost as a verb. It's a VP and V. And then touch is going to be a direct object. It's a noun that's also actually NP and then N, and then it's a direct object. And lost here, if we can fill stuff in, is a predicate, main predicate. John is the subject, okay? And actually I think we'll have two subjects here just because we put in a subject phrase. And there are two predicates here, two direct objects. And these two lines are just the fact that we need a one-to-one relationship between forms and functions. Now if we have with the friends of his roommate is a prepositional phrase. As you can see, with is the preposition. And then the friends of his roommate is the NP prepositional complement. This whole thing is a prepositional complement. And then the friends is itself, let's see, so we have the, yeah, this is the, so this is a whole NP. So this is the, which is an article. Oops, we want to delete this. Okay, so we want to say the, which is an article. Determiner. Friends is a noun. Okay, and then of his roommate is another prepositional phrase. Okay, and that's of is preposition. And then his roommate is an NP. His is a we can call this a determiner or an article. It's a possessive article and called determiner here. Roommate is a noun. Okay, and this is the roommate is the prepositional complement. And this whole thing is the prepositional complement. And then we have this, of his roommate, this modifies friends. Okay, and this is the whole prepositional phrase of his roommate. So this also modifies friends. This is the head. Okay, this is the whole prepositional phrase. So this is the predicate. Well, I'm sorry, the whole prepositional phrase, sorry. John lost touch with the friends of his roommate, so I believe that's an adverbial. That with is an adverbial. And this whole thing is an adverbial of losing touch with. Friends is a prepositional complement here. So do we have everything done? Well, there's one thing we're missing. It's here. And that's the whole predicate phrase. So we have a predicate right here. You can tell that because if you go here, you'll see that fills in all of this. So that's the predicate phrase. So it looks like we're done.